In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on CoinStats account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change securely. First, open your browser and head to coinstats.app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you begin, since you'll be updating personal information tied to that profile. Once the site loads, look for the profile icon in the top right corner. This is your gateway to account settings. Click it to open the account menu, then choose your profile username from the drop-down. That takes you into your profile area where you can manage your personal data. Inside the profile, go to the personal data section and locate the email field. This is where your current address is displayed. Click into the field and carefully type the new email address you want to use. Double check for typos, extra spaces, or missing characters. Even a small mistake can prevent the verification message from arriving. If you use a custom domain or a provider with strict filters, make sure messages from CoinStats aren't blocked. After entering your new address, click Save. As soon as you do, CoinStats will send a confirmation email to verify that you own the new address. On screen, you should see a message indicating that the email change request was sent. This is an important security step that protects your account from unauthorized changes. Now, go to your email inbox. If you use Gmail, open it in a new tab. If you use another provider, that's fine too. Look for an email from CoinStats with a subject line about changing your email. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh the page and check your spam or junk folder, as well as any promotions or updates tabs. Open the message and find the Confirm button inside. Click Confirm to approve the change. This action tells CoinStats to finalize the update and associate your account with the new email address. If you're prompted to sign in again or verify with two-factor authentication, complete those prompts to finish securely. That's it. You've updated your CoinStats email by opening the site, navigating to your profile, entering the new address, saving the change, and confirming from your inbox. Keep the confirmation email until you're sure everything is working, and consider adding CoinStats to your email allow list to ensure future notifications arrive without issue.